how you just got them clean.
I'm gonna have a photo of Gus being weird.
Hey.
Oh, there.
What?
Oh, I tried turning on the flash. Are you good, Gus? Is Gus good? Is Ray good? Is Gus good? Is Gus good? Is Gus a good boy? Is Gus a good boy?
He's trying to dig.
He is trying to dig. You see now why we don't want him to go outside after his bath?